When we're looking at Jenna and Maria to see who can text faster, I'm looking at Jenna's minutes and words per minute, her minutes and words per those minutes, and Maria's, and I see that in 6 minutes, Jenna can text 60 words. Similarly, I see that Maria also has in 6 minutes, she can text 50 words. I can compare these two ratios, 6 to 60 and 6 to 50, and I can see that in 6 minutes, Jenna is able to text more words because 60 is bigger than 50. When we have Michaela added in, what we see is that when we're comparing Jenna and Michaela, we see that there are 2, 4, 6, and 8, 5, 10, 15, and 20 minutes. We don't have any overlap. Think about what can we add to Jenna's chart that will allow us to compare Jenna's ratio of minutes, words per minute, and Michaela's words per minute. What I see is that I can extend my ratio table here to include 10. I know 2 times 5 is 10, so I'm going to add 20 times 5 is 100. Now what I'm able to do is I can compare Jenna's 100 words per 10 minutes and Michaela's 104 words per 10 minutes. And I can see that Michaela, I'll write this here, Michaela can text faster than Jenna because in 10 minutes she can text 104 words. And Jenna can only text 100. So when we're looking at our ratio tables, we first are going to look and see if we can find a common ratio already, one where they have the same minutes or they have the same words, and then we're easily able to compare. However, if we don't have a common term, like Jenna and Maria had the common 6, then we need to extend our ratio table to create a common term between two ratio tables.